Hello, welcome to this video. We're going to be going over how to create an account on Dropbox. So first thing you're going to do is open up your browser and go to dropbox.com. And in the top right hand corner, you'll see this sign in button. You click there, be taken to the sign in page. So in order to create an account, you click up here to this link, create an account, and you're going to enter your first name, your last name, your email address, a long one there, and then a password. My recommendation is to make the password something that isn't easy to figure out. And then you're going to click the I agree to Dropbox terms and privacy policy. You can click into these hyperlinks to read it in full if you'd like. So click there and then click create an account. It may take a few minutes or a few seconds for it to load up. Just going to wait, and then it's going to take you to this page where you can figure out which type of account you would like. These are all paid accounts, so if you're not interested in that, you can always try them out for 30 days, but if you're not interested in paying for it, you can click down here where it says continue with 2 GB Dropbox basic plan. All right, so that'll be the free plan. And then you're going to download Dropbox. So this may take some time. Just wait for that installer to download. And then click it, open it up, and follow the instructions for downloading. So for Macs, you're going to double click and then open, and it's going to download the installer here, download the application. Wait for that to load up. And the next step, so it'll walk you through it pretty easily. You just have to keep clicking through, but we're going to walk through it here. All right, there we go. And then you're going to want to finish setting this up. So this on my Mac, it'll open up the application. So you can view Dropbox on your browser or on your computer on the application. All right, different stuff there. And I'm not going to import anything at the moment. You can choose how to sync your files. Now this is something you can figure out on your own, which works best for you. But right now I'm going to click out of that, click out of the application. So you can also install the mobile app. So you'll just need to put in your phone number. All right, and I'll text you a link for the app, or you can have them email the link. So now all of that is done. You're in your Dropbox account, and you can look through the different files they kind of already put in here, or they recommend for you to create. Sometimes the more typical things they find that their clients enjoy, or you can exit out of them. These are mostly just notifications. And then you can start uploading files or creating folders, etc. And we will have more videos on our channel going over the individual options in each of those. So thank you so much for watching, and feel free to like and comment anything, your thoughts or ideas, or if you have anything that you'd like for us to cover in the future. Thank you.